Alright guys, so as you see, we got a whole bunch of snow overnight. It's already, sorry for the finger in the way, it's already obviously really melting. It's warm outside. I'm out here in a t-shirt, as you can tell, but I had to shovel this whole driveway. I mean, you can see the amount of snow. We got, I want to say at least 5 inches or maybe 6 inches of snow. But I had to shovel all the snow out. Luckily, my neighbor did about half of it at the back half for me. Very, very grateful because he has a snow blower. But as you can see, she's still clean. Nothing. I didn't get in the snow with her at all. Parked it in here last night or yesterday before, you know, the storm rolled in. And anyway, so let me turn this around. I got a little something to do today. You guys are gonna see. Now, I've seen only one person on YouTube do this. Maybe anybody else has. That's right, Hurst shifter. Now, this is how the Chargers, automatic and Challengers come. Even I think some of the Durangos do. Well, I want to get rid of that and put this. I've only seen one video made. I'm not going to make a tutorial because that guy did amazing. And I definitely am not going to be able to beat that. But I will show you a little bit of while I'm doing it and so on. But let's get started. As you can see, I've got it removed. Now, let's see if I can... This is what it looks like without your shifter and the little tray there. Obviously, it's all pulled out. That's the shift knob. This is all electronic. Obviously, there's no actual shift cable like it used to be in the old days. But, anyways, so let's go over here. This light's a little too bright for the camera, but here it is upside down on this. When you take this off, you actually want to take, I started at the front on the side. Use a pry tool, guys, like a plastic one, like my orange one. I slid that down on the side right here, you know, and then pried it up. I think it pulls best. Either way, I don't know. I kind of popped up the back and then pulled up. But when you pulled up, you can't actually pull it up all the way. You've got to disconnect the little plug right here. You've got to disconnect that plug, which disconnects from the shifter. And then there's a T25. You know, sorry if you can't see this very well. There's a T25 screw that you're going to have to loosen. That way you can pull it off of that. I did that. Obviously, it's sitting right here. So now we're going to move on to the next step. Alright, so what was next on the list was that little cubby with the 12 volt outlet. You got to pull that out because you got to put your shifter down in here. So I'm going to wrap it up with this. I'll show you here in a minute. We're going to take this, wrap it up so it don't rattle around. And, you know, I'll put a link to the guy's video that I'm watching. He does a way better tutorial, but that way this is wrapped up and doesn't rattle and bang around. And he said that you want this off to the left. So I'm going to put this in here, get the cord tucked, and I'll show you guys. Before I cover this up, this is where he said you're supposed to put the shift knob wire. I'm going to go in through there. That way it doesn't get smashed off to the side. And I'm going to put the other piece on. Let's roll. There it is, guys, all done. I'm just kidding. Got the plate back on, this other piece as well. And now we're going to work on the shift boot, which I took out here. If you're wondering why, maybe I should have had it in before I put the plate on. It actually clicks in once you do it. So let's get started. Okay, so I have the set screw. I got that set as tight as I could, along with the little zip tie that's supplied. Now we're going to put this, push this down, and it's going to snap in, and we'll be good to go. So I just finished it, and I just want to give you guys a quick cold start because I got to start this thing up, and I want to show you what it's like once it's moved. So much better too. Oh man, that's awesome. There you guys have it. Thank you guys for watching my new Hurst shifter install, and I think that's all we're gonna have for today. Hoping maybe we can get something in tomorrow, but hopefully some of the snow melts, maybe I can get the car out. But thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. Please subscribe, like, let me know what you guys think of it, and